You might want to ask Santa for an umbrella because it's going to be rainy much of the week, kind of like it's been for the past couple of days. Here's a shot from the beach earlier today. You can see that those waves are really big and crashing a lot further inland, and that has a lot to do with the upper level ridge that we've been seeing building on our area. I'll get to that in just a moment, but first, our current temperatures are pretty chilly out there, especially San Luis Obispo, under 40 degrees right now. 40 most of the area, though. If you look at Santa Barbara, Santa Maria 42, Paso Robles 40 degrees. And here's how warm things got today, or not warm I should say, because Pismo Beach only up to 51, Morro Bay 52, Paso Robles 41 degrees, Goleta was 50, Santa Barbara 53, San Luis Obispo 50, and Santa Maria 50 degrees. That cool weather is going to stick with us, as is much of that rain potential that we're looking at. Going into tomorrow, we're going to see some precipitation starting to build, less than 1/10 of an inch for most areas. However, as we get into Saturday, we're going to start to see about 1/3 of an inch. So do expect some rainfall by tomorrow into Saturday, and especially into Sunday into Monday. So it's really not letting up, because as you can see, Paso, San Luis Obispo, Cambria, almost 1.5 inches by Monday morning. So do expect some more rainfall. Even into Thursday, we're looking at 2 inches in some areas of the Central Coast. So here's that microclimate model that shows us kind of what we've been experiencing, and up and down of that precipitation moving in and out of our area. So as you can see, it comes onto the coast and then it leaves the area, comes back for a little while, leaves again, and we're expecting that into tomorrow with a lot of that marine layer. With the more cloud cover that we see, kind of weird that we'll actually have warmer conditions. So the more clouds, the warmer, keeps that heat in. If the clouds lift though tonight, then we're expecting some cooler conditions tomorrow. Here's an hour-by-hour look at our rain and temperatures. So as you can see here for San Luis Obispo, warmest part of the day is going to be 2 o'clock tomorrow, and unfortunately not going to start to let up on the rain until it starts to get dark out, when the temperatures start to fall. And that's the same situation for Paso Robles as well as Santa Maria. We're looking at 2 o'clock being that time where we see the warmest part of the day, and then also the rain starting to fall back around 4 o'clock. So finally seeing some clear skies by 4 in the afternoon tomorrow, but unfortunately that's going to be once it's dark. Upper level forecast shows us in that upper level trough that I mentioned to you. So you can see here how we're stuck in that, and that's where that cool weather is. This is coming down from Alaska, so we're getting that cold weather and the precipitation from the cold air mass that is up there moving down into our area. Starts to break up around Tuesday into Wednesday, so maybe a little bit warmer, a couple degrees warmer on those days, but still rainfall in our forecast. I do want to tell you about a winter storm warning that we're looking at for Santa Barbara County, mainly in the mountains. So the San Marcos Pass at Highway 154, where the cave fire was, we are looking at snow in that area, as well as a gale force advisory for the coastline over here by Santa Maria and San Luis Obispo. So definitely choppy waters out there if you have any plans to be on the water. Forecast for tomorrow, we're looking at 57 Santa Barbara, 54 Santa Maria, 54 San Luis Obispo, 52 Paso Robles. In Santa Barbara County, 50s just about everywhere you go. 5 cities area, we're looking at 50s along the coastline, inland a little bit cooler, and in northern San Luis Obispo County, we're looking at 50s again. Definitely cooler once you get inland. 5-day forecast though showing those temperatures start to warm up just a tad by Sunday into Monday and Tuesday, but definitely rain everywhere you go throughout the week, so you're not going to escape that. Even as we get a little bit of warmth added to our area, expect those rainy conditions to stick around.